Hi, this is Saurav. In the previous video, we have described what ByteBell does. Let me repeat it for you. On ByteBell platform, you can dump any number of repositories with any number of files to generate a verification layer. The verification layer is generated with the help of LLMs, which analyze each file and each code unit with respect to repository, with respect to module, with respect to cross repository, with respect to other documents in the organization. And once verification layer is done, made, you can use it anywhere from doing a PR review to blast radius and code generation, writing test cases, or any other use case by just attaching the MCP that we provide, which is this. You will get a different one for your account. And what this verification layer does is it improves the accuracy and a lot, and basically it will push the accuracy beyond 93% while incurring only 20% of the cost because we use open source models all along the way. So in on this I have entered my API key for open router and selected a cheaper model called Tencent i3, and for even cheaper model I have selected Laguna, which is half the cost of Tencent i3. Now blast radius is something really important, and only enterprise understand this problem. Is that whenever a team of developers makes a change to a single repository, they don't have any means required to identify how this change is going to affect 50 other repositories in the organization. So we are really good at it, and on this you can achieve more than 95% accuracy. So how this works is, let me enter a question. This can only be answered by this change requires changes in multiple repositories. So let me send hit, and let's see this starting the trace connected to ByteBell MCP, which is this. This will automatically be filled up once you signed in with your account on ByteBell. Now it's probing the change symbols. Now see, agent time is 16 seconds total. Now it's setting up. Now it's probing for probing, but that this question will require changes in how many repositories. Then the blast radius analysis is working, and in the end it will provide you all the files that needs change. So rather than waiting up on it, let me show you a previous blast analysis that we have done. So this is how the blast radius will the output will look like, the current functionality and the change functionality per file wise. And then if you want to look at the changes, you can click on repositories from here. These are the 4 repositories that require changes and the files. So you can click on the file, it will show you uh, the changes now, where the change will land and why this file is in this thing, right? And then in the end you can see the cost also, which is really low as compared, and it provides that. Thank you.